What's up, y'all? It's Boss Lady here, and I'm bringing y'all a vegan pasta that I made. I just made this up, just whatever ingredients I had in the kitchen. So you can try this pasta out if you want to. All I'm doing is boiling noodles. Yes, these noodles don't have egg in them nor milk. I'm about to, fire up some olive oil, and then I'm gonna cook my chopped vegetables I put in there in the olive oil. Wait till that oil get hot. I'm gonna put my red onion in there. See the noodles, they boiling. We want to wait till the noodles get al dente, and then we gonna put a little garlic in there. Not I said little, but I end up putting a lot. And I got some tomatoes in there I chopped up, and some kale, y'all. And I sauteed that kale, washed it off, and then I'm going to saute it with the rest of them veggies. Y'all, I get messy when I cook, so don't let nothing bother y'all. And then I'm going to take some my seasonings. I'm going to get some salt. Next, I'm going to get some butter. And I'm going to let everything cook down. A little garlic powder. Chili powder. And I got the mushrooms. And then I just mix it all up until everything is sauteed. And then once I'm done with that, y'all, I'm going to put my pasta with it. And let that cook down a little bit. Like I said, y'all, I had drained the noodles. Like I said, y'all, I had just made this recipe up. And I was just going by what I had in the kitchen that day. Because I was hungry and I didn't know what to make right then and there. And I ain't feel like going to the stove. So I just made all of this up. I used what already I had in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to use that vegan Parmesan cheese. Baby. And voila. Baby, I tore that pasta up. You hear me? I was smashing. So, I mean, if y'all want to make this pasta, y'all go ahead. It was very delicious.